Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we're taking a look at the SANSI 70W RGB LED floor lamp. If you're looking for a powerful outdoor light that can handle everything from security lighting to holiday decorations, backyard parties, gaming setups, or even content creation, this thing packs a surprising amount of brightness and versatility into a single fixture. The SANSI 70W RGB Flood Light delivers up to 7,000 lumens of output and combines bright daylight white lighting with RGB color changing effects. It features 16 different colors, multiple lighting modes, adjustable brightness, and includes a remote for quick changes. It's also IP65 weather resistant, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use. One thing I immediately noticed is just how much light this thing throws out there. This isn't one of those small decorative floodlights that barely makes a difference. It's powerful enough to light up large sections of a backyard, driveway, fence line, or even the entire side of the house, if you have a small house. Setup is pretty straightforward. I mean, you simply just mount or set it down wherever you want, plug it in, and honestly, you're ready to go. You can switch between the 16 different colors, adjust the brightness levels, and cycle through the different effects, which I really do like. And if you get more than one and put them close together, I kind of like how it mixes together. I mean, honestly, my favorite thing about this is just how easy it is to move. I will say it does get rather warm to the touch, but I mean, I wouldn't worry about anything. And just honestly, as someone who enjoys lighting setups, gaming spaces, and filming videos, I can see a ton of other uses for this, such as color behind you as you're filming and different things like that. Just the amount of light output for how small this is pretty impressive. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and unbox this and we'll go from there. All right, let's take a look at these SANSI RGB lights. I am super excited about these, especially shooting up on my house. Here we go. I've purposely never done one of their products from this company. So it looks like on top, light up your world. We have a warranty certificate, and then right here just looks like, okay, so it comes with a controller and instructions. So that is actually going to be really nice, if you can see that right there. And then dimensions, it kind of goes over everything. Looks like it comes with an anchor bolt, just as one of the mounting methods, but this should be a 2-pack right here. Well, that's what I asked for. I asked for a 2-pack, but it looks like it's just one. That's okay. But yeah, right here, I am really excited to see how bright this is going to be. And it looks like we do have a little stand right here. It says I'm gonna get 2 of these and have them shout out, beam out next to my garage or front door. But yeah, so here we go. Take a look at that. That is some intense stuff. We got the plug right here. It doesn't look the longest, but of course you could always get an extension cord. And then it looks like we have a little mount right here. And then the remote itself, let's take a look right here. Ooh, if I can open it. And there we go. This is probably one of the more fun remotes I've ever seen. Most of the time they just have mode and you click it over and over, but this one actually has the different colors right there. That's such a fun remote. I kind of just, all right, focus. Let y'all see the whole thing. But yeah, guys, I'll let y'all have a closer look, and then we'll put this outside and see how bright it is.